So I just picked up my order for Jersey Mike's. Got two sandwiches. I got the giant Italian sandwich, which is gonna be split between my wife and the kid, and I got Chipotle chicken cheesesteak. I'm gonna try that, and it feels pretty heavy, pretty big. So I guess that giant Italian is giant. It's getting kind of dark, so I gotta do this quick. So this is the size of the giant Italian. Man, this is huge. And this is my Chipotle chicken cheesesteak. Still pretty good size. That's how big the Italian giant sandwich is. It goes from one end of the bag to the other. Covers the entire bottom of the bag. It's pretty good. Alright, it's getting dark quick. So hopefully you guys can see what's going on here. Here's the sandwich. Chicken with onions and peppers. Chipotle sauce. There it is. It's the front. Alright, let's eat it. Alright, here we go. Bread's nice and soft. Mmm. It's good. I like it. I think I'm tasting some pepperoni peppers in there. Mmm. Really good. For a sandwich shop, it's going to be very good. Very good. I like the bread. Peppers are doing their thing. Chipotle mayo, chicken. It's good. One more bite. For a chain sandwich shop, it's pretty good. Jersey Mike's Chipotle cheesesteak sandwich, 4 out of 5. Pretty good. Yep. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.